What's the meaning of applaud? Applaud. Applaud.
Applaud. Applaud. The word applaud means to express approval or praise for someone or something by clapping one's hands together. The act of applauding is usually done in response to an impressive or noteworthy performance or achievement. Applauding can be a way to show support, appreciation, and admiration for a job well done. It is a positive and encouraging form of feedback that can boost morale and motivate individuals to continue their efforts. Overall, the result of applauding is to encourage and recognize excellence, fostering a culture of positivity and appreciation.